Welcome to our top 7 essential tools for DIY, welding, and outdoor projects. In this video, we'll explore some of the best tools and gadgets that every handyman, camper, and DIY enthusiast should have in their toolbox. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 7. Adjustable Tap Wrench Tool. The Adjustable Tap Wrench Tool is a versatile and highly useful tool that every DIYer should have in their collection. This tool is designed for threading taps, which is essential for creating clean and accurate threads in metalworking and machinery repairs. Whether you're assembling furniture, repairing bicycles, or working on machinery, this tap wrench will give you the precision you need to get the job done. Made from durable alloy steel, the Adjustable Tap Wrench Tool is built to last and resist wear and tear. Number 6. Mini Electric Belt Machine. Next up is the Mini Electric Belt Machine, a powerful and compact tool perfect for DIY polishing, sanding, and grinding. This 110V, 220V multifunctional machine is ideal for knife making, metalworking, and other precision grinding tasks. Featuring a 304 stainless steel body, it's resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting durability. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals alike who need a reliable tool for small-scale polishing tasks. Number 5. Solar Power Fan Helmet. For those working in the heat, the Solar Power Fan Helmet is a lifesaver. This innovative helmet uses solar power to operate a built-in fan, providing cooling relief when you're working outdoors under the sun. No batteries or switches are required, just the power of the sun. The fan automatically turns on when exposed to sunlight, providing a cool breeze and making your work environment more comfortable. Made from durable ABS material, the Solar Power Fan Helmet is perfect for construction workers, cyclists, motorcyclists, and anyone working in outdoor environments. It's available in multiple colors and features an adjustable head circumference to ensure a snug fit. This helmet is not only practical, but also energy efficient and environmentally friendly, making it a great addition to any outdoor worker's gear. Number 4. Crimping Pliers Tool. If you're working with electrical terminals or wiring, the Crimping Pliers tool is an absolute must-have. This multifunctional tool is designed for crimping a variety of electrical terminals and connectors, making it indispensable for electrical repairs, installations, and DIY projects. It can handle insulated and non-insulated terminals, as well as a range of wire gauges from 24-10 AWG. The Crimping Pliers tool is made from high-quality carbon steel, ensuring it's both durable and capable of delivering precise crimps every time. It's equipped with a comfortable handle and a spring mechanism to reduce hand fatigue during extended use. Whether you're wiring a new appliance or repairing an electrical system, these pliers will help you get the job done efficiently and safely. Number 3. MIG Welding Torch. For those who need a reliable and durable welding tool, the MIG Welding Torch is a top choice. This 10-foot torch comes with a high-quality nylon body and is designed for long-distance MIG welding. Whether you're working on large welding projects or need to reach difficult areas, this torch's flexibility and durability will ensure you get the job done right. The MIG Welding Torch features a 200A welding capacity with a 35% duty cycle, making it ideal for heavy-duty welding tasks. Number 2. Multifunctional Hunting Axe. If you're an outdoor enthusiast or camper, the Multifunctional Hunting Axe is a tool that should be in your kit. This rugged axe is made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring it's rust-resistant and durable enough to withstand tough conditions. The full tang construction provides additional strength and reliability, making it suitable for chopping, prying, and hammering. The Multifunctional Hunting Axe includes a hammer and pry tool, adding to its versatility. Whether you're setting up camp, hunting, or working on outdoor projects, this axe has you covered. The G10 non-slip handle ensures a secure grip, even in wet or slippery conditions, and the included leather sheath keeps the blade sharp and safe when not in use. This is the ultimate tool for anyone who spends time outdoors and needs a reliable, multifunctional axe. Number 1. Automatic Wire Stripper Tool. Last but certainly not least, the Automatic Wire Stripper Tool is an essential tool for anyone working with electrical wiring. This multifunction tool can strip, cut, and crimp wires of various sizes, from 24 AWG to 10 AWG. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to use, while the adjustable screw allows you to customize the blade's biting force for different wire gauges. The Automatic Wire Stripper tool is made from high-quality materials including a zinc alloy head and a heat-treated plier body for added durability. Whether you're working on electrical installations or repairing cables, this tool will make wire stripping and crimping tasks faster and more efficient. It's a must-have for anyone who frequently works with wires and electrical connections. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.